In this video, I'll show you how to pair and connect your Logitech MX Master 4 mouse via Bluetooth to your Mac. So all you need to do, the first step is to simply go ahead and open up the control center on your Mac, and then select Bluetooth and choose Bluetooth settings. From here, all you need to do is simply just ensure that Bluetooth is currently enabled on your Mac. And when it's enabled, you can now go ahead and put your MX Master 4 in pairing mode. So this includes ensuring that it's been turned on and that you've chosen a channel you want to bind your Mac to. So you have 1, 2, and 3 available. So all you need to do is simply press on the connect button to switch between the different channels. And then once you found a channel that you want to connect it to, long press on the long connect button so that it can enter pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode with the indicator light blinking quickly, all you need to do is just come back to the Bluetooth settings on your Mac, and then under nearby devices, so just scroll down to nearby devices, select your MX Master and just click on connect and wait for the connection to be established. And then once it's been connected, you should feel a slight vibration coming from your mouse. And now, whenever you try to navigate through your Mac with the mouse, you should see that there's a response on the screen. If you want to have more customizations when it comes to your MX Master on your Mac, you can also choose to just install the Logi Options Plus app so that you can be able to customize it to your liking. So you can just search for Logi Options and install it. If you're curious as to how to do that, I'll leave a video linked in the description down below, guiding you through that whole process. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.